Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's day 29 of the 30 days of sketches. Second last day. Whoops. Oh, I can't believe we've got this far. Anyway, we've made it. Nearly. One more day. So this sketch today is by Shayla Kulchitsy. Kulchitsy. I'm sorry, Shayla. I'm bad with names. I do apologise. Lovely sketch. So what am I doing? I'm doing some really old school photos. My dad's school photos. I think he was in grade 1 here. That's grade 2. And that's grade 2. So it must have been 2 photos in grade 2, or he repeated. I don't know. But anyway, probably repeated because he might have been a naughty little boy. Anyway, so these had to have been in the 1930s. And trying to picture him. There he is. Back row in the middle. And that was before school uniforms. You wore what you wanted to school. And I love that all the little girls have their dollies with them. And I don't know whether they took dolls all the time or whether it was a special thing for school photos, but they all have dolls with them. Where's Dad? Here he is there. And no one's smiling. I don't know whether anyone enjoyed school back then, but I don't know what the go is. But and in this one he's back there. So yeah, they are 1930s school photos in Australia. Oh my gosh, what a motley crew, hey? Nothing like the school photos these days. Oh dear. Okay, so anyway, that's what I'm doing. The range I'm using, these papers, this one and the red one, I'm pretty sure are Stampin' Up! From some range years and years and years ago, but it was all school sort of themed. Like here you've got an annual report card and all that sort of stuff. So I'm using this sheet for my embellishments, and then on the reverse side it's got this lovely check, so I've taken some of that to use as tucking pieces. And then on the sketch you've got this strip down towards the left hand side, so that is going to be my strip. And then this piece of paper is from, I just put it away, would you believe? Oh, Echo Park, here we go. It is from Echo Park Paper, Country Drive. Oldie but a goodie. I love this collection. I had so much of it. 2011. So anyway, that is what I'm using. That's my base page. And my embellishments, I've got some Doodlebug Design enamel dots. And then these are the pieces I've cut from the patterned paper. So cute little squares, ABC, A's for art, 1, 2, 3. Reading is fun to do. And then they're the back of the other piece of paper, or the back of this one, that I have just made into little tucking pieces. And I've rounded the corners because these are rounded on the sheet, and when I cut them out I kept them rounded. That is going to go with the title. I also found from Creative Cuts packet, Uniquely Creative, I don't know what range it is, Tapestry of Time, some old pieces that I can use for tucking as well, because I wanted to bring in the vintage type old look as well, because you know those photos from the 1930s. So I found these. I thought, well, they would be good to tuck in. They're a little bit, add that little bit of vintage. And I want to put this on here, remember the good old days, because you know a lot of the older generation would go, they were the best days, like we say about our childhood, they were the best days. I have this little tag because I needed to bring in, well, I think I'm going to use it, I needed to bring in this colour because I want to use this little house to represent like the schoolhouse. And so that was the right colour. So I don't know if it's going to land on the layout in the end. These ephemera I found perfect for a school layout. I just found them in my stash. I have no idea where I got them from. Yeah, I don't know, but I found them. And then this reminded me of that, the circle, what was it, protractor or something or other, and the half one and all that. So I love doing angles using them at school. The only bit of maths I really liked. Yeah, but that reminded me of them, so I thought I'd do that. And then my heading is going to be, I had to write it down because I kept changing it and then I couldn't remember what I liked in the end. School days long ago. So that hopefully is going to be school days out of there, and hopefully long ago out of there. So we will see, and they're just extra in case I need it. I found some school themed stickers. I took one crayon out already that I've decided to use because it matches the colours of the page. And then just some different elements I found in a variety of embellishment packs. So that is what I'm using. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my layout. So, what do I want to say? It was fun to put together, actually. The alphas were just a little bit tacky, but not tacky enough that they would stay in place long term. They weren't all sticking, they were lifting in places, so I did glue them all down. And I must have got glue on my fingers because then everything else was wanting to stick to me, and I'd lift my fingers up and the item would come with me. I think the little bit of the ephemera and the old tags works really well with the photos. I did get Remember the Good Old Days in there, and the Smile Big 1930s, because that's when these photos were. And I thought this one was crooked, but I think it's the photo itself, like the mats are crooked on the photo, so I kept thinking that was crooked, but the paper's straight at the bottom of the layout, and the photo is straight with the grid, so it has to be the actual content of the photo that's making it look like it's crooked. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this one, and it's a really good sketch. I love the sketch. I have ephemera over here, where the ephemera here is on the sketch. These dashed lines, that's what my ruler is representing there. What else? I've got the title and subtitle over here, and because I used 3 photos instead of 5, this ephemera piece down here with these 2 photos I've just put down here at the bottom, which means I didn't need this one here because that was incorporated into there. I used, these are, I can't remember what range they're from, but they're quite new, but I thought they looked like pie graphs because they've got like the segments in them, so I thought, well, they look school related, so I put them on there. I got the apple because the apple for the teacher, the schoolhouse, and yeah. If you have any questions about anything I've used, any technique or anything like that, then please pop a comment below. If you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. Be sure to check out the playlist below for everyone else who's playing along with this series. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.